Hello, everyone. My name is Tigist Abeba, and I am so excited to be here with you to introduce Amazon Pantry, a full-service meal creation, pantry management, and grocery delivery system, and our newest feature of Amazon Prime services. Now, this innovation has been successfully tested and developed to ensure that it is the best value for busy families and that it can quickly generate an impressive profit margin for our organization. The evidence that I will be presenting to you today will prove that this product is ready for rollout and execute across nationwide markets. All right, let's get into it. Amazon Pantry was not created in a boardroom or a lab. The customer's priorities were rigorously tested to ensure that we were pursuing a high potential opportunity to get a general feel for how our product will test on the market. We went ahead and surveyed 100 individuals through the Pick Food platform and found that preparing and eating home-cooked meals was an important priority for most families. About 80% of respondents attested to this, but however, nearly half struggled with shopping and preparing meals for their families throughout the week. Now, I know I can relate. According to these polls, looks like most of you guys will relate as well. Overall, the need for a better solution was evidenced by 63% of respondents suggesting that there is a strong market that can be motivated to switch solutions. We created a storyboard to outline the job to be done to get a clearer picture of our customers' most moments of struggle. And after sharing the storyboard with an external audience and gathering feedback, we were able to validate that we had, in fact, identified the customer's job priorities. Our top 2 box score was 100% perfectly aligned. By designing a value proposition, it helped us expand on the customer's job priorities and identify exactly what pain relievers and gain creators our solution would need in order to adequately pull customers from their current solution in use. Now, this value proposition also helped verify through both external and internal audiences, and it resulted in a top 2 box score of 100% aligned. Using the knowledge, we were able to design a business model which ensured key internal partners, activities, and distribution channels were in place to deliver on our cost and revenue model. This business model was the first avid gate we were able to pass on our path to designing this innovation. Though we had verified the customer's job priorities, we wanted to ensure that our solution would move the needle for our customers, which meant identifying and testing an exhaustive set of customer values metrics. Now, the process began by identifying the success outcomes for our customers that they were seeking, and it resulted in a target analysis. Value target analysis helped us to identify what value metrics were still undershot through current solutions and could best be used to exploited to generate customer demand, as well as what features must exist in order for a solution to be considered competitive. And alternatively, the analysis allowed us to identify where customers' needs were overshot and what features customers were indifferent to, so that we could avoid investing in features that just did not generate value for our customers. We did focus primarily on the undershot and must-have value metrics to design the optimal prototype. The following attributes must be included for the app to be competitive with current solutions in use. And first, that feature is it must allow our customers to browse and schedule user-rated recipes quickly, and save their own preferences and customizations for future use. And in addition to that, Users must be able to easily order their groceries for Amazon home delivery or be able to schedule their groceries for same-day pickup through Whole Foods, an Amazon-owned market, or other participating local partners. Alternatively, some innovative attributes provide unique value by meeting unmet customer needs. For example, our system will track and compare grocery needs against a customer's existing home pantry inventory and automatically export a grocery list based on the selected meal plans as well as existing pantry stock. Once all of our product features were developed, they were also tested to ensure adequate job solution fit using a choice-based conjoint analysis survey. The CBC survey allowed us to identify which of our product feature drove demand most when compared to the next best solution, and ultimately we found that the home pantry integration and the grocery delivery service were valued the most, but the speed, customization, and price also added value over competitors' offerings. In addition to attribute value and importance, the Discovery platform allowed us to run a market simulation in which 100 customers were asked to select their choice in the open market. Now, the Amazon Pantry prototype was selected by 3 of every 4 participants, significantly outperforming Mealime, a product that was identified as the next best solution, as well as the no solution option. This does confirm that our solution has sufficient differential value to pull customers away from their current solution in use. That is exciting. Now, the solution was designed to attract and satisfy the greatest number of customers, but Amazon has a special strategic position to maximize on this opportunity given their current business model, their market position, and their resource. Now, the most important resource we can leverage is to build sustainable competitive advantage will be our technical infrastructure, our database, management systems, and strategic partnership, as well as our superior logistic expertise. We were able to test and rationalize these competitive advantages by identifying the operational capabilities of our organization against each proposed feature of the prototype. Now, ultimately, our benefits feature capabilities matrix analysis did conclude that our partners, our processes, and our resource mix would deliver additional value over the competition, and cost savings could be realized through existing technological and operational efficiencies. The value exchange map allows us to visualize how value would be traded amongst our partners and customers. And as you can see, one of the largest value drivers is our existing brand recognition, our customers' loyalty, and of course, our reputation. The transition of customers to these enhanced Prime Pantry features will be seamless. Similarly, the similarities between the new business model unit and Amazon's existing business ecosystem will result in an easy integration. In fact, Amazon Pantry can be viewed as a part of a staged expansion of Amazon's existing business model. As you might expect, when we evaluated Amazon Pantry's business ecosystem, we did find only very moderate innovation risks with grocery chains and adoption chain risks with delivery services. Many of our supply chain partners are already working closely with Amazon to expand the audience and enable web-based ordering. We will mitigate the moderate risks that do exist by working closely with distribution partners and adding resources to support innovation, bolster development, and ensure our mutual goals are being met through the partnership. Of course, value exchange is only profitable if it translates to operational revenue. Due to the seamless integration of this offering into our existing business model, Amazon Pantry expects to spend similar amounts on selling, marketing, administrative costs as they do with other high-level operations. Now, we do expect our largest annual cost to be research and development, naturally, to improve and add value to our platform. Our estimated total revenue includes only the expected increase in Whole Food and Amazon grocery sales and excludes existing sales. That being said, our standard after-tax net increase in profit per year with Amazon Pantry is expected to be $41 million. Each product feature that was rigorously tested to ensure it will add value to the solution and increase overall customer satisfaction also comes with a cost, whether through revenue or research and development. Our primary fixed cost will be distributing food from local vendors, warehouses, and Whole Foods locations, while app features will have more variable and discretionary costs for research and development. Many of the features add discretionary costs based on the amount of time, research, and value we put into the product. However, there are other variable expenses that are required to sustain operations and are therefore unavoidable. And those costs include things like database and technology maintenance, customer service, and response and general application upkeep. Ultimately, after budgeting for 6 months to create a minimum viable product and investing approximately $50 million over the course of the first year to scale up our existing prototype, our projections suggest that we will see positive cash flows in just 1 year's time. Yes, you heard it right. This budget we expect no initial revenue in the first 6 months, but projections show that we can make up that initial investment very, very quickly. These projections show that Amazon Pantry business unit can be self-sustaining in a very short period of time. As with other Amazon success stories, our projections show this project can deliver an impressive rate of return to our organization. And after factoring in $50 million of upfront investment, as well as a 2% increase in discretionary variable spending and a 4% increase in non-discretionary and fixed expense each year, we do expect to see a 94% rate of return over 5 years time frame, assuming the discount rate of 11%. The internal financial results are impressive, but equally impressive is the social value that is integrated into the solution's design. Now, the social value exchange map highlights these 3 specific social benefits that will increase the value of our solution for our stockholders, stakeholders, and bystanders alike. Delivering social value is not only an ethical choice, but it has been proven to pull additional customers to our product and improve long-term financial results as well. One of the most obvious social benefits of Amazon Pantry is the reduction of food waste, which reduces the cost and impact of expired and unused product to our customers, and it also leads to less resource waste in the environment, which is great news. The Natural Resource Defense Council reports that Americans routinely throw away 200 pounds of food annually, which really costs families around $1,500 per year. Now, the social benefit is built into the just-in-time inventory management nature of the solution design, so there is no added cost for delivering the added value for our customers. In addition, Amazon Pantry will reduce the use of single-use plastics by foregoing plastic bags altogether in favor of a recyclable shipping material like cardboard boxes. Because Amazon already uses recyclable cardboard materials, this benefit to the environment can be integrated in the solution design without increasing the existing cost structure of logistics or service delivery. Finally, Amazon Pantry will also utilize the Amazon Smile donations program as a default option for ordering within the app. This program which can be implemented by customers for any Amazon purchase, donates 0.5% of all revenue to and because the service is already a function of Amazon's larger platform, the cost structure to provide the social value would only be the 0.5% of the marginal review for qualifying purchases made through the app. In order to ensure that customers are aware of this best value meal planning and grocery management opportunity, we will use marketing strategies which have been tested to ensure that they will attract and inform our target market. Now, given the expansive existing market in our Amazon Prime platform, we can easily reach a target demographic through a viral marketing strategy, encouraging our 118 million users to adopt this new service and to refer a friend. After incorporating all of this data into our business model design, we again tested the entire solution through a choice-based conjoint analysis. This time, we asked another 100 customers to rank our product feature, and this time we included price and brand to ensure this product met the operational requirements necessary for launch. Price was the most important feature and the only feature where the next best solution was preferred to Amazon Pantry in the open market. While that may suggest an issue with our existing pricing strategy, additional analysis does show that most early adopters and early majority customers are already Amazon Prime members, and that the $119 a year membership fee will represent a sunk cost for those individuals. Now, as new customers adopt this innovation, we do expect additional Amazon Prime value, such as the music, videos, photos, and other services to extend the perceived economic value well past the individual's willingness to pay, allowing us to maintain our best value position amongst the competition. For our final product test, it was a second market simulation comparing Amazon Pantry to Mealime, which is the next best solution, and the most common solution in use, which is the no solution option. Amazon Pantry did prove again that it was the best value solution for customers, whether the differential value was tested included the full of Amazon Prime subscription or eliminating the sunk cost. Amazon Pantry was preferred by more than 2/3 of customers. In conclusion, Amazon Pantry has been scientifically developed and tested to ensure it has enough demand and pull to be perceived as the best value solution for meal planning, pantry management, and grocery delivery. Amazon's position is very competitive. Its advantage has been tested and proven to be sustainable and unmatched in the open market, and the revenue model suggests that the business unit will be cash flow positive in just a few years. The evidence proves that we are ready to execute in nationwide markets. Now, all you need to say is go.